Yeah. First day. Well, I ain't gonna say first day back, but first day, This is still running. I don't even know what that means. So am I still live? Yup. Quick little on Friday. Going from here to the previous day high. We oversold. Not oversold, we overbought. We're most definitely over in an overbought market. Again, just the market over exceeding everything we see obviously. Um, Looking for this to close the proper way too. What I don't want it to come here and then start bouncing. What I want actually, and then this was just a better, even cleaner look. They gave us an hour order block here. Nice close on here, hour order block. Bouncing right off this order block. 30-minute inverse fair value. We inverse this gap right here on the 30-minute. Could have been patient if you wanted to. You could have put a sell stop here. Could have put a sell stop here. Got a way better entry. I just got in off of the inversion because I'm trying to get in and out. Hopefully, it is an in and out kind of thing. From here again, just to the previous day high. Not trying to really hold my trades too long. I wonder one. Um, Not trying to hold trades too long. Today is Friday. Trying to get from point A to point B. But again, you definitely could have held. Definitely could have put a sell, not held, but put a sell stop here. Sell stop. SL right here. Again, better entry, just better risk to reward as far as the whole thing. But again, I got in off of the inversion. Looking forward to continue to push down, especially just to the previous daily high. Not trying to hold anything for too long today. Again, just understand the market. That the market is. It is a Friday. We most definitely have news. We got news at 8:30. We got news at 10. So yeah, we just again point A, point B. Kind of was looking at the charts before. Should have went live a little earlier, but we're live now. It's better late than never. So again, already 50% of 50% way to our TP. If you've been watching my recent live switches videos in general, you understand that I haven't been talking. I was basically just had my mic muted. Really didn't have too much time to talk, but I ain't gonna say too much time to talk, but really just didn't feel like talking, to be honest. This was the balance. I think our balance started at 71 today. Again, just looking for a decent day, a quick day, quick in and out kind of day. Not trying to hold for too long, not asking for too much at the same time too. Again, I'm understanding what I want. Again, not trying to overdo it today. Again, point A, point B, getting in and out, none more, none less than that. So again, hopefully this is something that happens quick. We're not in this for a long time. I'm trying to get again from here. I'm trying to go here to here. That's it. It seems like this was a very clean, simple trade. If you just again looking at it from the higher time frames, again, hour order block, very, very much overbought. Gave us this hour order block here, bouncing off the hour order block. 30-minute inversion of this gap here, again, in an very, very overbought market. Still looking for that continue. Still looking for that push down. This does not scare me. Again, still looking for that push I'm looking for, man. Trying to debate if I want to go break even right now, because we definitely came not very close, but we definitely got more than 50%. I'm definitely one of those guys that's all right. Boom. I'm definitely a 50% kind of guy when it comes to my TPs. I'll definitely move my stop loss to break even once 50%. Once we are 50% of the way of TP, and we were beyond 50% actually. So, and then again, if it comes back up, we can just catch a better entry and try to catch that ride back down. But again, going break even on this trade. We're gonna break even on the trade. Risk free right now, basically a risk free trade. Let's just continue to get that push we're looking for, man. Again, I already took 50% of. This zone right here. Also, if you really look at it again on the higher time frame, I want to say it's the 2 hour. Yeah, 2 hour. We are in very much a gap. It's a tiny 2 hour gap. Nothing big, but understanding that sometimes these gaps that aren't big, they're very much significant in the market as far as reversal points. The market wanting to bounce from here. So again, very much in a 2 hour gap right now. Want to see a very 51 minutes left on the gap. So I just want to see, again, I just want the previous day high. Now, again, I'm not asking for too much. I'm not asking for 1,000 points. You know, I'm going from here to here. You know, currently up $76. Yeah, let's just continue to get that push we're looking for, man. Not trying to, I don't want the markets to do too much. I ain't trying to get done dirty. I don't think I get done dirty today. I think this is a clean trade. This is very much a clean trade. Again, risk free right now. Very risk free. And again, we're just waiting. It's basically a waiting game now. So, if y'all hear the controller in the background, it's because I'm on Warzone at the same time. Me and my cousin are definitely on Warzone. So, enough to get one game, man. Got to get a haircut. I get a haircut at actually 9:30 today. So I'm trying to make a couple dollars before I go get a haircut, get a game in, quick game or two in before I get a haircut as well. So again, I kind of actually want to pull this back up so we can see at least the balance on the account and how the money's moving. I really don't got to see too much after that, to be honest. I don't even know what that is, so not even about to fiddle with something I don't know what it is. Again, very simple trade, very, you know, not complicated. You know, it's a very simple trade, very self-explanatory trade. Again, our order block, 30-minute inversion in an oversold market. You know, let's see what we can catch. Simple, like. Again, previous day high could potentially bounce off the previous day high. Not expecting it to, but it definitely could. Again, I want this trade to be done before 9:30 because I definitely am probably going to leave the house at like 9:20, 9:25. My barbershop should really be right down the road. I want to have this live already like done, wrapped up and done. So let's go and get the points we're looking for. Again, trade very much explained already, you know. Nothing too crazy. I ain't gonna say nothing too crazy. Nothing over complicated as far as what I'm looking for. So again, hopefully it can be a good day. But who knows? You know, the market is the market. You know, market's unpredictable. So always have that in mind. Never guarantee profits in your head before your TP is hitting. I've definitely been plenty of times coming 1 point within a TP, literally reversing, getting stopped out. So again, please understand that the market is not your friend. It doesn't owe you anything, and it doesn't care. The market is gonna do what the market is gonna do. So we just got to come prepared and, you know, just take the proper steps and the proper precautions when we're in the market trading. As far as, again, moving your stop loss to break even on Fridays, because you understand that, okay, it's almost the end of the week. There's no reason to lose too much money on a Friday. There's no reason to overdo anything on a Friday. You know, we're still trying to do this. We're still trying to, you know, make money at the same time, but also, again, be smart about how we're making money. So again, very much, I don't even know where this nigga marked, but again, we're just, again, holding, never folding, man. I think that's the motto. Yeah, I got fucking shitted on right there. Nigga, I'm dead as hell. I'm dead as I don't know what right now. Straight at it. I got like one more game. Gotta be at the barbershop now, shirty nigga. Y'all seen that trade play with my emotions, man. And it was my fault because I should have been out earlier because my TP was definitely not set at the previous day's high. But, boy, I don't even know. It wasn't really too much emotion. Because I'm like, man, push come to shove, we about to just we about to come back and hit my SL and profit. But, all in all, great day. Man, amazing day, actually. Count summary. Not a $200 day, but a $154 day. And I'm going to tell you right now, you can never be mad at that, man. Great Friday. Hope you all have a blessed Friday. Again, very, very, getting to this point, it was playing with us, but, you know, all in all, very, 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 not a textbook trade, but very, very, very great trade to be called out. You know what I'm saying, as far as this morning, and just again getting in, getting out. So yes, beyond happy with this morning. Again, hope you all have a blessed day, and again, stay encouraged and don't give up, man, because this journey can for sure force you to think twice about this, but don't give up, stay encouraged, keep going. Y'all be blessed.